टिट्टू चील पतंदर रास्ते पहाड़ी घर के अंदर घर है देखो भूत वाला टूटी खिड़की मकड़ी का जाला है मुझको बस जाना है लोग को डर को जिसको भागना है कितने सालों से हम सब आंखों से नीले गाया खुश में इतना क्यों तुझको तो खुशों में क्यों जाने क्या हुआ मुझे तेरे प्यार में चमकू जैसे जुगनू
Today we are at Shnong Padang. And look at our condition. Yeah. One, Imi, just look at us. Sweaty. Hey, model. Shit, pala deh sini. Senang ye? Hi. Hi. Wendy? Okay, ano biar gue pasang. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kita one Indonesia picnic from college. Tambah condition juga masih terlalu too bad. It's too hot. Show you more. Heading towards that side. It's so hot. Hi bye now. Imi. Matt. Hi guys. Oi, ini kan dia. Dah. Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Good boy. Hi. Whenever I go somewhere, I always make a beautiful thing. And there's a dog. This is what is called Shnong Padang. Jit! Ngan update ang vlog.
Kalau i-vlog pisin.
Dah tapi, plus subscribe dah. Hai!
Bayar na.
Lan ala. Naya Sugar Bridge. Wanri, Nafi. Hi Shania. Go. Oh, okay, she's clicking photo and here the photographer. And these two gossiping and those two are taking videos as well. Let's move ahead. Look at this view. I already mentioned in the first video that Meghalaya is truly fascinating. Here it is why. It's truly amazing. I'm in the middle of the bridge. No, not middle of the bridge. Mandi! The bridge is moving. Yeah, come on. Yeah, I bet.
So scared, bro.
It's because the marbaka moving. It's so scary. It's moving. Hey, nay. Slowly, walk slowly.
Walk slowly.
This bridge is moving. Ya, ski. Honey.
Sketch ना मुझे.
These people are telling me to take photos. Let me do that. I can. Yeah.
Imaha jengking. Pit Eli. Imaha jengking.
So I can. I have to stop recording first. Bye.
I can't walk backwards. Wah, ya my shirt.
Tiang. Tiang ni ah.
Gosh.
We're turning back.
Finally.
This guy is back. Kita pasadan ha YouTube. Ha.
Cạn rồi được mà.
เป็นภาพนี้ภาพเป็ดเดิมMengiring video banyak record memori semua. Pesa kedua macam ni, layar sakum, tomato.
Nah, ni.
Kipas saus ada thay pe chong ale. Ani.
Tapi lah, shutter beit.
Kamu siapa?
Shutter ni.
Makan naru ya. Ni saus ko ni nama apa? First of all, kadai ko weather sini. Sini, kacang shela palat ni ngam cakap na degree Celsius through. And they compare ni but Shillong. It's totally different the weather. I think it's hot also na marba. Kadai ka cup weather Bangladesh, that's why. I'll just show you the bag for you.
Ni lah vlog.
Coffee, coffee. Ellie? Last time there's a gift for what?
Rabia.
Rồi.
Eli. Come. Video wood come. Đây nè, one on to hỏi. Sampai dah. Suki. Slowly. Nele dah. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's nice but dangerous. See?
This is Shnong Deng. Dah. Yeah, we're in the middle of the river. Look at this. It's so relaxing out here, day. Look. Nó còn tiếng ra hả? Who's scared? Mana batia?
Saya getting Amy and Nafi.
Tiếng hi tong ba. I'm enjoying at the same time. But hot. Habat ba ko funda hapan ni hapot dia. Tanang ruot. Pet celor dia diru. Ki model. Kelang water day. Banyak betul ni buat nampalak. Day shisha. Look at them. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Snap na mo Yvonne.
Kanya nga ko eh.
Ivan. So nice, eh? Yeah, look at the view. The boating we are still here. Look at it. Oh my god. Just the waterfalls. Starting with you, Ania. Just look. Oh my god, we're so near to this. Oh wow. Manri, lari kya? Oh my god! Hi! Just finally complete our boating, and now we are sitting here. They're also tired, frustrated, and she looked dizzy.
So sad for her.
She's not feeling well. So all of a sudden, I hope she'll get fine soon. I'll show you more what we're gonna do next. Okay? We are now heading towards that water side, just to sit and relax. Actually, we were about to plan for that zip lining, but then it's too expensive, so we thought of cancelling it. So I'll just show you. See, these are the tents here in Shnong Padang. Those are the bags, and wait, I'm left behind. My friends are all in front, so let's go. And together with them. Wait. Oh, what? Here she goes. I'm gonna type life there.
Kayak gitu bangi mudet bangi kelam mudet.
Zip lining. Yung spot din ka sa alam. And then at the same time, they don't accept GPay, only cash. So cash is problem for everyone.
You don't know.
Kapnap hai ni jet. Mai zip.
Kamu nanya kali ni sih. San spar kan. Tuesday lah ni. Ni penyung ni. Kan ni susah ni.
Ang siya.
Hai.
Kan sa day YouTube ba?
Ani.
YouTube.
YouTube ni. Yang kata ini nak.
Itu na.
Yang juga bawa social media ini.
Hai di ba sapay? Jet.
Jet.
Niliyam.
Hamnam how jet.
Excuse me. Vidura? Haring video nanti dia jong kemiring ni ya.
Ano tu ba?
Jet. Buat ha. Tu na jong ah.
Nonton video bang.
Berbiak nanti dia jong. Mafi. Di mafi. TV. Mom chips.
Alam yan, ha?
Masih DVD last year.
Hindi, balik na yung social media.
Dirang social media. Okay, so
Kindo, thank you.
I'm just having my release. Me and Wendy.
Wow.
Let's go bed.
Enjoy her.
Bed. Guys, our picnic has come to an end. So it's time for us to leave since it's already 5:70. And this is the bowl. It's a mixture of lots of chana inside it. Let me just show you a short view. Today we really had fun actually.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, along with these two.
Bye, guys. Bye.
But bye there, believe yung bar. I'm just saying something, still talking. Ma'am siya na.
Ma'am, sipit ang boss.
Ma'am shibit lakadang. Okay, so we'll be heading towards our buses and capture some photo there. Again. Go.
कंधों को किताबों के बोझ ने झुकाया, रिश्वत देना तो खुद को आना सिखाया। 99% मार्क्स लाओगे तो घड़ी वरना छड़ी। लिख लिख कर पढ़ा हथेली पर अल्फा बीटा गामा का छाला। कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 ने खोला, उठा बचपन जला डाला। बचपन तो गया, जवानी है मेरी, एक पल तो हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।